Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and today we're going to be making this stuffed top chocolate vanilla ombre cake. Oh my god, so delicious. Credit to all have uploaded videos on stuffed top baking. Don't mind my table, ingredients you will find in the description box. I just wanted to blend this sugar. For what reasons? I don't even know. And it was super fine, just like the icing sugar. Into the blender goes all our wet ingredients and we're going to blend and blend and blend. I don't have a mixer guys, so yeah, this is what I've got. Let's add our dry ingredients and we're going to blend and blend and blend. Just pray that this blender doesn't get cute. Say this prayer, blender, don't die. Our batter is ready and this is the consistency that I wanted, and I'm going to add in some raisins and stir just to mix. So I've separated my batter, and to the other batter I'm adding the cocoa powder. That red pot over there is very old. I've just greased it and that is where I'm going to add my batter. For stuffed top baking, you're going to need a larger pot which is bigger than your container, and in that pot you're going to put as a stand. So I used forks because I didn't have the stand. Switch on your stove, add some boiling water. You don't need much water, and then put your baking tin on top of that stand which you would have put in the water. Cover your pot, allow to steam on medium heat for at least 40 minutes or until done. Let's cut this baby and see how she looks from the inside. Dear Lord, I just love how the knife is sliding into the cake. Ooh, let's see. Wow, look how beautiful she is. The chocolate part, the vanilla part, that ombreness. Wow, and it's so fluffy. I did a good job here. Thumbs up, guys. Yum, 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 yum. Say no more words. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to try this stuffed top baking. Thank you.